Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Amber Mutation and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. The mutation will be like this. So your fruit or your plants will be covered with this Amber Mutation. And I'm going to show you how you can get this guys. Okay, to get the Amber Mutation, I recommend you to have the an item called mutation spray. You can get the item by crafting or by completing the prehistoric quest. And since the crafting is not free, you can go to the quest here and you can complete the quest. Okay, and as you can see, we will have chance to get this Amber Mutation spray, and I have already gotten the spray, so I'm gonna go back to my garden and I'm going to spray my fruit with the mutation spray. Okay, I'm going to spray my Rosy Delight. I'm gonna go to this menu and go to the gear items, and I have 2 mutation spray, and I'm going to select my Rosy Delight. Okay, I'm going to select this one. Okay, now it's done. Now I've already gotten this Amber Mutation and my fruit will be like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Amber Mutation and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.